XRP holders, are you ready for some October bullish price action? I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I'm in a long position right now. We're going to be talking about this. We're going to be talking about where I think XRP is headed for the month of October and really for the rest of 2025. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. All right, guys. So over on Twitter, follow me through the 3 Blacksea. I just entered this trade about, 10 minutes ago. I say risking it for the biscuit. XRP holders longing into the monthly open, swinging for the fences with a few thousand on this one. And I show this photo here, and this is kind of my position and what I'm looking for. And we can look at the actual chart here. So right now, looking at XRP, like this is a massive, you could call it a falling wedge. It's kind of a falling wedge, which tends to be a bullish formation that breaks out to the upside more so. There's a higher probability that it breaks out to the upside versus to the downside. And I am in a position here, and I do think that we could do something like this. I want to show you a little drawing here. I do think there's a world where we come down a little bit further before we bounce. And I also think there's a world where I immediately get stopped out on this trade. But I am betting on that October is going to be bullish and that Q4 will be bullish. And when you look at this, there's a breakout coming on XRP here, guys. We've been trading in this formation for, it's been 73 days since we saw that massive move to the upside. When you zoom out here and look at this, I think this is going to be a good trade, especially if the probability, if we do break up to the upside, I do think that we're probably going to be headed new all-time highs. I just drew a little box here just to show you what I'm going to be taking profit along the way throughout this area. If we do, I'll probably be hitting profit, my initial, and then probably up there, and then probably on this level, and then I'll just be kind of keeping the position open for hoping for a breakout to new all-time highs. But as of right now, the position is, it could come down in the red, and that's kind of what I'm expecting. We caught a little bit of a bounce today on Bitcoin and the traditional market, but the alts kind of have been struggling, been quite quiet. And I will say, though, when the market, especially when alts are quiet, usually it's a decent time to bid. Now, that's not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys how I'm viewing this market. I've been trading for nearly a decade, and I'm just giving you guys my thoughts and opinions on this, right? I'm not a financial advisor, okay? But I do think that there's probably a good chance that we do see a little bit of a rally here in this formation. And if it does start to break to the upside, it's probably going to be quite lucrative. And obviously, I am prepared for this to get stopped out as a loss because, guys, I technically am longing I'm longing into resistance, kind of. If you look at this formation like this. I'm kind of longing into resistance, but in my opinion, I think that there's a good chance that we do break out here and head up higher. But guys, let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Are you bullish on XRP? Do you think that this is going to play out this way? I'm bullish on XRP, guys. It's the rank 4th crypto right now, and yeah, I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. I'm swinging for the fences on this one. If you guys do want to trade, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. We have a 10% bonus on all deposits to BTCC. Absolutely insane. And they have up to 500x leverage, guys. Usually I trade on Bitfinex and Blowfin, but BTCC is offering a 10% deposit bonus, which is kind of unheard of. So I'm moving some of my funds over there, going to be trading on there. I like to have an account on all these exchanges so that I can run multi-leg strategies. Say if I want to be long on one platform on a coin, I want to be short on a different platform on the same coin. You usually can't do it on the same platform. So I like to have a account on all these, but check them out, guys. Pin comment section, description box below. It helps support this channel, and there's a lot of lucrative bonuses to be taking advantage of, so check them out. All right, XRP rank 4, up about 1.38% in the past 7 days, getting a baby bid here at 0.64% in the past 24 hours, and we are sitting at a $172 billion market cap, just a measly 28 billion from $200 billion market cap. I believe that we probably will be hitting that in Q4. And if you look at this, guys, Bitcoin right now is at $114,688. We're seeing a little bit of a bounce here. Alt's kind of trying to bounce. ETH is up a little bit. I am also in an ETH long position right now. Just quick little scalps here, right? But on XRP, I'm a little bit more. It's going to be a longer trade. I'm going to keep it open until I either get stopped out or we rally into Valhalla into October, November, December. So very curious to see how that plays out. But if you look at this, I want to talk about the monthly candles here on Bitcoin because as of right now, Bitcoin's at what? $115,000. In my opinion, I mean, if we close at $115,000 in the next 22, 23 hours, that'll be the highest monthly candle closure in Bitcoin's history, guys. That'll be all-time highs when it comes to monthly candle closures. And if we do get that, like we're closing above this level here, it's going to be pretty bullish. Like, especially if we're closing like up here, like near, I mean, yeah, if it's 116, like that is, I'm trying to envision it before the candle actually closes, but it will look really strong. And I do think that Market Cipher as well will probably put in a green dot on the momentum wave and will probably be curling to the upside and probably be setting us up for a bullish Q4, guys. And I'm betting on it. You can see I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I have my positions open. I'm looking for more positions to enter as well. But yeah, guys, as of right now, especially if Bitcoin is rallying into October in the next day or two here, I do think that you should be expecting somewhat of an altcoin explosion, if you will, across the board. Because I do think, and you got, guys, we have the rate cuts coming too in Q4. Crypto tends to perform well in the wintertime in Q4. It's exciting times, guys, so I'm risking it for the biscuit. Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think? Do you think that XRP is going to have a very bullish October and Q4? Are you trading it? Are you leverage trading it? Are you just buying, holding spot? I want to know what you guys are doing. But that's all I got. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.